everyone, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. Let's continue on with our Cobra build. We'll put on the front bumperettes. Here are the parts they give you with the kit. They give you the front bracket that mounts to the frame, these 8-inch bolts, the bumperettes themselves, which mount through the back, and they give you this long piece of tubing which you have to cut, and this extends from the bracket out through the front of the body. Now it's going to go in between the brake duct here and the opening right in the center here, so we just got to measure and drill some holes. Okay, nice and tight, centered in the holes here. Looks great. Now I just got to put the other side on. Now this is how the one on the driver's side ended up. It came out okay, just like the other one. The difference is that the space in here is a little different. In order to get the space in here the same, I had to shim that out. You can't really change the length of the tube because the bolts are a certain length. But they both came out the same, and I think they look great. You know, people are always asking me, if this is taking you so long to build this thing, what keeps you going? And this is what I tell them. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.